Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. Then click on Open. Now select Allow and click Home button. After that, tap on iOS Launcher, select Always, tap Got it. And as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!